Come test drive the 2025 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, stability control, tire pressure monitor, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.